How is final custody determined when parents are not married or are divorcing in Kentucky? The legal process for determining final child custody in Kentucky is always the same. If the parents cannot agree on a custody arrangement, the court will decide based on what is in the child's best interest. To make that determination, family courts use Kentucky Revised Statute 403.270 guidelines, which include a list of factors such as the parent's means or motivation, or the child's school and family environment. In addition to the stature, the judge has the flexibility to include any other factors he or she deems relevant, even if they aren't explicitly listed in the law. In addition to all of this, the physical and mental health of each parent are major factors when it comes to determining child custody, as would be any previous or ongoing domestic violence charges or convictions. Ultimately, the court is trying to decide what is in the child's greatest interest, and a lawyer can help make sure they see things your way. If you are divorcing or facing a child custody dispute in Kentucky, you should contact family law attorney Tim Hendrix. Go to www.timhendrixlaw.com to book a free consultation to discuss your divorce or custody dispute.